Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the Temu WooCommerce dropshipping tutorial. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right now, I have two tabs open. First one right here is the WooCommerce, and the second one is Temu right here. So if you want to actually dropship using Temu on your WooCommerce, what you can do is you can head over in here to your stores. Then just select the store that you want to use. For this one, let's click on this manage store since I already have a store that is actually existing on my WooCommerce. So this store that I have right here is actually connected to WordPress and WooCommerce. So it's a 2-in-1 store. So if I want to connect Temu, what I can do is I can scroll down from in here and I can see the options right here for plugins. So click on this plugins. After that, scroll down. And from in here, you should be able to see this customize your website. So let's click on this browse plugins. And then once we have done that, we should be able to see this. So click on this right here and search in here for Temu. So right here, you can scroll down and you can see in here some apps that actually helps you dropship using Temu right here. So you can choose this Importify right here, which is a dropshipping for WooCommerce plugin for AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Alibaba, Walmart, and a lot more. So when you click on this one, you can see this plugin directory. What you can do is you can click on this download option right here. And then once you have done that, as you can see, this will download that. So once it's done downloading, you can head over and see also this installation information. So when you click on this installation, you can actually install a plugin through the Wordle plugin screen or R and unzip it to WP content plugins. Now you can install this on the plugin page wherein you can actually activate it and so on. So in here, let's head over again to our actual plugins, and we can see that you need to actually subscribe to their plan in order to actually integrate a plugin. So you can click on this upgrade now, and it will show you the plans that they offer on your actual WordPress and WooCommerce combined. So you can see in here right here, I'm actually on free trial, but they have in here a pay monthly or pay annually options for essential, as well as a performance plan that they have right here. So once you have subscribed to them, you can actually get the plugins automation or the plugins enabled for this one. And you can also see in here the storage that they allow for each specific plan. So once you have actually integrated the Importify right here, you can actually use it in order to dropship more things right here. But let's head over to this specific article. You can see that Temu does not support dropshipping based on its policy. The only way you can dropship for Temu is if you purchase the product on Temu with customer's address, but that will actually raise a lot of questions. So it's actually not recommendable to do dropshipping based on this policy, but you can actually use a third-party dropshipping app like this Importify right here in order to actually get it. So for this one, let's head over to the actual site of Importify. And then let's click on this dropship lister, which is the first link. And then once you have done that, this will actually load and we can click on this start dropshipping option for this one. So they actually have 30 plus marketplaces and Temu is actually one of them. So in here, you can register your actual account. So for this one, we have WooCommerce. So let's click on this one. Let's click on this login right here. We just need to access a WordPress dashboard and then add the Importify login in the side menu and the dashboard menu. So once you're done with that, you can actually head over and then try to install this plugin yet through this particular guide. So you can also see in here the actual plans that Importify offers. You have in here the basic plan, the premium plan, and the gold plan right here that actually supports unlimited import and built-in product description editor, such as also the pricing rules, customer service, and a lot more on the higher plans that they have available. So they also have a money back guarantee where it's actually a 14-day free trial. And then from the left dashboard right here, you can see this dashboard, the import list, orders, custom description, and everything that they offer in here. So you can just choose which plan suits best for you, and you can use Importify in order to dropship Temu to your actual WooCommerce. Alternatively, you can also head over right here to your actual dashboard again of your WooCommerce. Once you have done that, you can head over to these extensions that we have right here on our left sideboard. Now, once you have done that, we just need to head over and scroll down until we can see this browse extensions. So click on this one, and then this will open in here a new tab wherein it will show you the WooCommerce extensions that you can actually integrate to your store. So you can click on these search extensions, or you can just head over and scroll down and find the ones that you actually want. But for this one, let's click on this, and then let's search in here for dropshipping. So you can actually see that they have in here a WooCommerce dropshipping. So this supports AliExpress integration as well as Amazon affiliate support. So on regards of Temu, you can actually use a lot more, like for example this Sinky right here. They actually have a free plan available, and they support Temu as well. There are actually a lot of things that can actually use this one up for you. So just choose which ones you want to actually integrate. So for this one, let's for example use this Sinky. So let's click on this one. And then once you have clicked on it, you can see this one, which is the actual description. And you can see also that they have a free plan available. Now what you can do is you can head over and click on this sign up now. And then this will direct you to a new page wherein it will prompt you to sync your Sinky with your WooCommerce. Using this way, you can integrate your Temu with Sinky, and it will actually help you dropship from Temu to WooCommerce using this particular application. So for this one, I'll click on don't have an account yet, so I'll click on this register, and I'll just head over and register mine first. So once you head over and actually sign up, it will actually ask you for registration of the domain that you want to use. So for this one, I'll head over and then put in here my domain. And then from in here, you just need to click on this install option. So if you already bought this domain, you can actually integrate it with your Sinky and WooCommerce. So for this one also, you can use the WooCommerce domain that you have. So this is actually my WooCommerce site. So when you click on this particular link, you can see my actual store. So for this one, let's head over and copy this. And then let's integrate this one. Click on install. And then once you have done that, it will ask you if you want to connect your store. So click on approve right here. And then once you have done that, this will actually load for a while. So since you already have this, we just need to head over to our Temu and then look for the particular thing that we want to actually dropship. So for this one, let's choose this universal cleaning brush. And now we have this. So we just need to just copy the actual description. Copy that, and then head over again to our Sinky, and then just click on the search bar, and then click on the search option right here. Now this will help us search for that particular product that we have on our Temu, and you can actually just head over and look for that particular product, which is a cleaning brush right here. So let's try to search for this one. And then once it's been searched, the actual product will actually put in here, and it will show you this one. So just choose the ones that you want to add to your catalog. So click on this add to catalog, and then you just need to head over and then upgrade your actual account in order to actually integrate this particular product to your WooCommerce store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.